This. Is my voice loud and clear? People on the right? Amanda, is my voice loud and clear? Okay, let's start. The post-COVID-19 pandemic teaches us one thing, that humanity can survive the instability of health, our mental well-being, and also financially. The COVID-19 pandemic is also one of the darkest times for financial industry to navigate through. In November 2020, there's a new loan restructuring policy from OJK targeting the micro, small, and medium enterprise. And it effective immediately. For debtors, it means to ease them, to help them, to aid them with their financial obligations. But from the bank's perspective, imagine a new regulations means from your operation standpoint, the policy needs to be in place. The systems that supporting your front-end operations needs to be ready. And your systems for the banks to comply also needs to be adapted. So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Yosua Taslim. I'm leading the REGLA Solutions team. I am a father, 7 years old daughter and 2 years old son. I will mention that I'm the proudest product owner in this room. In the futures of finance is increasingly complex. With presidential elections, the ESG issues, the global crisis all comes together, that most obviously will create a new challenge of the spiking of new regulatory reporting needs. And this new regulatory reporting needs also need to have a speed of the real-time processing. The data collection itself and the generation of the reports needs to be automated. And I spoke to many of my customers about what are your pain points and your main challenges of your current regulatory reportings. And what they say is, first, my reportings are too slow. Second, I have too many silo reporting systems. And third, when I want to grow my businesses, my vendor told me that it needs 3 months to migrate into a new technology. But that is not acceptable from our perspective, because the technology must be the enabler of the businesses, and it must grow when the business needs to grow into certain directions. So, REGLA, today we have been in the playing field of regulatory and compliance, regulatory technology for more than 15 years, starting in 2009 with a small group of people. Now, we are serving more than 26 customers in Indonesia, with our team growing from very small team to now 120 people serving those customers. Day and night, from day 1 to calendar day 31, every day, 24/7. And there are already 20 plus modules and compliance to major regulatory reporting, such as the IFRS accounting standards, the Apollo, SLICA, the System Layanan Informasi Kreditor, where you, as the debtors, and you can inquiry about your credit quality or your credit scoring. Those are the SLICA system. And today, I am very proud to announce, to introduce to all of you, first time about our new venture, the REGLA 2.0. This REGLA 2.0 comes with three main differences. The first one, speed, smarter, and secure. In terms of the performance, faster, we introduce a new technology, a smarter technology, that helps that it knows what are your frequently queried script, and it keep in a memory basis, it keeps a memory so that it can retrieve faster. In terms of, and also we offer flexibility. We introduce a new concept called no-code workflow basis. So basically, it's your reporting needs or your regulatory changes becomes a workflow, a diagram like UI that you can create and make an adjustment when there is a need to make there is a changes to your regulatory. And also, we introduce a REGLA as a service. It's a centralized platform where there's a new updated regulations. The box also will come with the new regulations. And our REGLA 2.0 has two new use cases of AI that we have embedded into our applications. The first one is about the AI-powered knowledge management. Imagine nowadays, new regulations coming in, what you have to do? You have to browse to the website, find out about the information, obtain a training to gain knowledge about the information. That sounds inefficient because you need to know how to apply that to my businesses. So we come with AI-powered knowledge management so that users can ask about those new informations, and the AI can help you understand, and you can ask it using the natural language processes. And it also understands who it's talking to. So when it gives you feedback, it's not only say just, this is a regulatory, this is how it says, but it also knows that whom it's talking to. Are you from the risk user? Are you from the finance? Are you interested about the technology? Are you interested are you from the information systems? It can personalize those response to you and help you navigate and how you can apply those new regulations into your businesses. So here's the quick demo of our AI assistants that we have implemented in our solutions. Here, the left-hand side are the insurance user. The right-hand side represent a banking user. Both are inquiring about what are the latest changes about the IFRS standards, IFRS 9 standards. And because it knows who it talks to, it can generate personalized response based on what are your roles and also what industry it was talking to and how it relevant to your businesses. And we design these solutions also with responsible AI in mind. So how it works is basically from the moment you log into your applications, it already knows who you are. And that we have also collected the information, the publicly available information of our client about what are your products, for example, what are your target market, and where is your branches locations. Those are publicly available information. And then bringing those two informations, it's going to find in the one large repository of regulatory compliance that NTT, our REGLA, has compiled and have indexes. So none of your personal data will be used to train the model, but it will be using all this information and index to be able to come up with all this response. The second AI use case that's available in the box of REGLA 2.0 are the machine learning based data insights. So imagine you would like to uncover a hidden pattern of your data. Using the data mining techniques such as clustering, classifications, and regressions, we are able to identify those hidden data and giving it as an insight. So it's not that you have to ask this, but it is given as an insight as and when the new data, the new informations are received by the systems, those rules that machine learning will learn by itself and give you so that you can stay ahead of your competitions that what's happening to my data and make an informed decisions about your data. And when we say we provide a REGLA as a service, we really mean it, because we will take security or enterprise very seriously. Starting from the infrastructure level to the application infrastructure level to the application level security. From the infrastructure level, we need to ensure that only those legitimate access can access to the application level. From the application level security, we introduce a more comprehensive role-based access control and a multi-factor authentication. Of course, because it's an open web-based application, we need to be compliant with OAuth, and also we need to ensure and we also implement that our code needs to be secure. And how we are going to ensure that is by implementing identifications and scanning through the code before we push it to the production. And the REGLA platform will be available as a service. It will be enables you, if you would like to do not have without the initial investments, on-demand basis, our own cloud solutions by hosted in NTT managed platform will be your go-to. It will also be having the AI integrations on this offering. It's also available on-premise for you to be compliant with data security and etc. So, our REGLA 2.0 platform for IFRS 9 will be ready in October 2024. These are just the first module or the first module that we implemented on top of this REGLA platform. Many more modules that I mentioned will be built on top of it, so that all our 15 years of experience of implementing REGLA in our various customers will be combined into one single platform. And yeah, so lastly, I would like to mention, please visit our booth. And I would like to thank you personally to all my clients attending this event. And our commitment from REGLA to our client is that we are going to keep reinventing our product, our services, and our people. So we can help you reinvent a new way of regulatory reporting compliance journey. Thank you.